Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this video, I am going to explain the changing gives free energy at constant temperature for an ideal gas. What happened there in changing free energy? Now, this is the one of the important topic in thermodynamics. The change in gives free energy in ideal gas. What happened there at constant temperature? This is the calculation part are present in this topic. Now start this section. See this board. First of all, change in gives free energy at constant temperature for an ideal gas. What happened at constant temperature? It means at constant temperature the process or the system is at constant temperature. It means T dt equal to 0. This is called as isothermal process. dt equal to 0. This is isothermal process. Now what happened? Change in gives free energy. Gibbs free energy is a function of pressure and temperature. Already you know that what is Gibbs free energy in my previous class. Function of P into temperature. Now change in Gibbs free energy. In according to Gibbs equations, Gibbs equation, what happened there in dg is equal to vdp minus sdt. This is the one of the Gibbs equation. This Gibbs equation, what happened at constant temperature, what happened? dt equal to 0. Now dg at constant temperature is equal to vdp is present in there. Now for an ideal gas, what is ideal gas? Ideal gas is formula of the ideal gas is pv is equal to nRT. This is the formula of the ideal gas. PV is equal to nRT. This is the n moles of gas. This is called as PV is equal to nRT. But you know that the find out the value of the V is equal to nRT by P. This value is substituting in this equation. What happened there? dg at constant temperature is equal to VDP. What is VDP? V is the nRT by P into dP. This is the expression is present in there. Now what happened? Change in Gibbs free energy. Now we have to consider a system from this reaction A to B. This is the system. This system is considered as this initial Gibbs free energy G1 and final Gibbs free energy G2. And at a constant temper, if for this system is at constant temperature, this is the initial Gibbs free energy G1 and final Gibbs free energy G2, and pressure is initial pressure P1 and P2, and V1 and V2 volume are present in this system. Now what happened exactly? Now this is the dg. Now we have to find out the total change of this expression. What happened? The integration of this expression for this is the dg. Now initial G1 to G2 changes. Now dg equal to this nRT is also, R is also constant, N is constant. Now nRT is also constant. Integration of P, this is the integration is present in there. The integration is the initial P1 to final pressure P2. Now what happened? P1 P2. Now this is the dP by P is present in there. This is the expression are present in there. Now what happened exactly? The integration of this tab is the limits are present in this dg. Here what happened? G into initial and final Gibbs free energy is present in this limits is equal to nRT into this is the 1 by P. Integration of 1 by x dx is also called as log x, as well as this formula is present in this. It means ln P into initial and final pressures are present in. Now what happened there? These values is substituting, and G2 minus G1 is equal to nRT ln P2 minus ln P1. This is the initial and final pressures are limits are applied in the equation. Now what happened? G2 minus G1 is also called as change in Gibbs free energy, that is called as delta G into nRT into ln A minus ln B is also called as ln A by B and ln P2 by P1. This is the change in Gibbs free energy equal to nRT ln P2 by P1. This is the in terms of pressure. Now what happened in ideal gas, PV is equal to nRT. This is at constant temperature. Now what happened at constant temperature in ideal gas, P is inversely proportional to the volume. It means PV is equal to constant. Now P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Now what happened, P2 by P1, we have to find out the P2 by P1 value. Now what happened, P2 by P1 is called as V1 by V2 is present in there. Now this P2 by P1 is equal to V1 by V2 value. Substituting in this equation, what happened, delta G is equal to nRT ln P2 by P1 is this value substituting. Now what is the equation is present in there? The equation is the delta G is equal to nRT ln V1 by V2. This is the change in Gibbs free energy at constant temperature for an ideal gas. This is the change in Gibbs free energy an ideal gas in terms of volume. This expression is present in there, and in terms of pressure, delta G is equal to nRT ln P2 by P1. Now this is the ln is present in there. Now we have to change the this value in logs. Now what happened, 2.303 nRT ln V1 by V2 or delta G is equal to 2.2303 nRT ln P2 by P1. These are the change in Gibbs free energy of an ideal gas at constant temperature. These two are the very important formulas are present in the change in Gibbs free energy in and at constant temperature in terms of volume and in terms of pressure. Now in another one is the change in work function at constant temperature for an ideal gas. What happened at the, now see this board, this is clear. Change in work function A at constant temperature for an ideal gas. What happened, now work function is a function of volume and temperature. Now this is the function of volume and temperature. Now Gibbs equation, what happened there, Gibbs equation is dA is equal to minus SDT minus PdV. Now what happened there, at constant temperature, it means dt equal to 0. This term is also 0. dA is equal to minus PdV are present in there. Now what happened there, this is the expression is present in there at constant temperature. Now we have to find out the total change of the Gibbs equation. This is the small change, but we have to find out the total change. Now what happened, that the equation is initial work function A1 and final work function A2. What happened there, integration on initial and final work function into dA is equal to minus P into integration of, this is the PdV is present in there. Now this expression, what happened there exactly, this is the minus PdV for an ideal gas. PV is equal to nRT. Now what happened, we have to find out the pressure is equal to nRT by V. Now this value substituting in this equation, what happened, the minus PdV dV. Now what happened here, this is the minus nRT by V into dV. This expression is integration. Now what happened there, the change in pressure volume V1 to V2 into dV by V. What happened there, dV by V is present in there. Now this expression A into A1 A2 initial and final work functions minus nRT, this is the ln V into initial and final volumes. Now what happened there? A2 minus A1 is equal to minus nRT ln V2 minus ln V1 is present in there. Now this is called a change in Gibbs free change in work function. Delta A is equal to minus nRT ln V2 by V1 is present in there. Then now we have to this negative sign is removed. What happened there? This expression is reversed. Now delta A is equal to nRT ln V1 by V2 is present in there. Because of the negative sign is removed, it means this expression is reversed. V1 by V2 is present here. This is the change in work function at constant temperature for an ideal gas. Now what happened there? Ideal gas is equal to PV is equal to constant. It means at constant temperature. Now P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, and now we have to find out the V1 by V2 is equal to P2 by P1. This value substituting in this equation, delta A is equal to nRT ln P2 by P1. This is the in terms of pressure in change in work function of an ideal gas at constant temperature. Now this value is in terms of logs 2.303 nRT ln nRT log base 10 into V1 by V2 are 2.303 nRT log base 10 P2 by P1. This is the logs and this is the lengths. These are the concept of the changing work function at constant temperature for an ideal gas. In these two expression and in before going to explain the change in Gibbs free energy, these two are equal. These two are equal in change in Gibbs free energy and as well as change in work function and at constant temperature for an ideal gas equal to what happened there? The is equal to 2.303 nRT log base 10 V1 by V2. This is the in terms of volume and this is the in terms of pressure. This is the concept of the change in Gibbs energy and change in work function of an ideal gas at constant temperature. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.